aviator friends, it's Miss Gillespie. Today I'm outside in my garden with some friends. I'm with bees. They're behind me in the lavender bush. So today I wanted to draw with you a diagram of a bee. So insects, bees and insects, all have three main body parts: a head, a thorax, and abdomen. So come along with me and let's draw the parts of a bee. Started. We're going to draw the three main body parts of a bee. A head, then the thorax, and then the abdomen. So at the top, we're going to start with the head. Put your fingers, 3 fingers under the title, and then we'll start from about there. And the head is shaped like kind of a fat oval. And then the thorax comes in the middle, and it's a little more vertical. And then the abdomen is even a little longer than the thorax. And we're going to come down and around, kind of pointy, and then back up and connect. Okay? At the top, we're going to start with the 2 antennae. So at the top, we're going to do a little diagonal line out and then up, and then on the left side, out, and then bend it up. And then a bee has 5 eyes. Isn't that amazing? 5. So 2 of them are big compound eyes, and one is on the left. And what we do is we're going to bring it out and a big round circle for the left compound eye, and then one on the right. Going to come out, big circle for the compound eye on the right. And then that's 2, and then we need 3, 4, 5. So 3 more, 1 little circle in the middle, and then another little circle to the left, and another little circle to the right. And it looks like a little triangle there. Now let's go back to the compound eyes. The compound eyes we can make look realistic by drawing straight lines, diagonal lines down one direction, and then across the top in another direction. And again, diagonal lines down, and then diagonal lines across. Next, we're going to start with the thorax. So on the thorax, we have the legs and the wings. So we're going to start with the wings first. There are 4 wings, 2 big wings, and then 2 smaller wings. So on the right, we're going to start near the top, not all the way, but near the top, and we're going to pull a curved line out, down, and back in. Sort of looks like a petal of a flower. Come over to the left side, pull it out, come around, and back in. And then 2 more wings on the right and left. We're going to pull it curved out, a little bit smaller, back in, and on the left side, out, a little smaller, and pull it back in. One thing we can do on the wings to make it look realistic is to draw the veins. So draw a straight line out in the middle of the wing, and then little diagonal lines off of that. And go ahead and do that on all of the wings, and it makes it look realistic. And the last one. Great. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 wings. Now we have the 6 legs. All insects have 6 legs, so we need our bee to have one as well. Here we're going to start at the top right, we're going to make the sections of the legs. And the way we do that is bringing a curved line out, stop, go back, and do another one, connect. And then we're going to go up a little bit, another curved, and another curve, and then one more. And at the very end, we're going to draw a little curved line like that. Doing the same over on the left side. Go curve out, connect, curve up, connect, and one more little curve up, and then a little curved line. Now we have 2 legs. Next we need 4 more. So these come down at the bottom of the thorax, and we'll start down here. Big curve out, connect. Big curve out, connect, and then we can draw it down here, connect, and a little curve at the bottom. Again, another one on here. Big curve, and another little one, connect. And then again, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we'll have 3 on the left and 3 on the right. So starting at the thorax, big curve out, connect, big curve, connect, and the last one we'll bring down a bit and a little curve at the bottom. Last leg, big curve, connect, big curve, connect, big curve, little curve, connect. All right, now we have all the legs. Now we'll go to the abdomen. The abdomen, all we need to do is to show the different stripes. So we can start on the left and do a curved line across, leave a little space, curved line across, leave a little space, curved line across, another one, and then I'm going to do a little one on the bottom. So we'll start yellow, black, yellow, black, yellow, black. And if you want, if this bee is a bee that has a stinger, if you want to add a little stinger, it's a little V at the bottom. Okay, now it's time to label. So first, we're going to label the main body parts. So you could name them anywhere you want on your paper, but I'm going to try to put my labels on the right-hand side here. It's going to be a little tricky because there's not a lot of space, but it's okay. We'll make it work. So the first main body part is the head. So I'm going to write the word head over here in this space. H-E-A-D. There. And I'm going to put a box around it because this is a really important part. And then the middle part is the thorax. So over in this space, I don't have a lot of space, but I can fit it in if I write it kind of skinny. Thorax. And I'm going to put a box around that word because that is an important part of our bee. And at the bottom, we're going to label abdomen. Abdomen. So find a space because abdomen's a big word. So abdomen begins with A-B, do, D-O, and then men, abdomen. And put a box around abdomen. Now we have to label the other parts of our bee. We have our antennae, we have our eyes, we have the wings, and we have the legs and stinger to label. So let's start with the antennae. Up here, I'm going to draw a little line with an arrow to write antennae. So, and there are two N's. And then the ending is a little funny. It ends in an A and an E. Antennae. Over here we have our eyes. So I'm going to draw a little arrow and we'll label eyes. A-Y-E-S, eyes. Then we have the wings. So here I have some space. I'm going to draw an arrow to the wings. And we're going to start on the left side here. Ing. Ing is with an I-N-G. And it's more than one, so we add plural S. And then we have the legs. So here I have a lot of space. I'm going to draw an arrow to the legs and write legs. Egg, leg, and there's 6 of them, so plural S at the end. And the last thing to label is the stinger. ST blend, ing. Hey, that's the same as in wing, so I-N-G. And then we have a sound at the end, and that's with the E and that glossy R, stinger. And there you have the parts of a bee. I hope you enjoyed it. I did. Have fun drawing, friends. Here is my bee, parts of the bee colored in. We know that many bees are very fuzzy, so I tried to make little lines on the outside of my thorax to make it look kind of fuzzy. You can also add some up here, the top of the bee's head, just little ones, and it can help make the bee look fuzzy like that. All right, bye friends.